Learning is a journey, not a one-size-fits-all experience. We all have our own unique ways of absorbing, processing, and retaining information. Some of us thrive in traditional classroom settings, while others learn best through hands-on experiences. This essay explores the world of kinesthetic learners, individuals who learn most effectively through physical activity and movement. Kinesthetic learning, also known as tactile learning, is a learning style where individuals learn best by doing. Instead of passively listening to a lecture or reading a textbook, kinesthetic learners thrive when they can actively engage with their environment. They need to touch, move, and manipulate objects to truly grasp new concepts. In a world increasingly dominated by technology and screen time, it's more important than ever to recognize and support different learning styles. By understanding the needs of kinesthetic learners, we can create more inclusive and effective learning environments for everyone. Traditional education often emphasizes linguistic and logical mathematical intelligence, favoring students who excel in reading, writing, and math. However, Howard Gardner's theory of multiple intelligences challenges this narrow view of intelligence. Gardner argues that there are multiple ways of being intelligent, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Kinesthetic intelligence, also known as bodily kinesthetic intelligence, is one of the 9 intelligences identified by Gardner. This intelligence refers to the ability to use one's body effectively to solve problems, create products, or express oneself. Dancers, athletes, surgeons, and mechanics all exhibit high levels of kinesthetic intelligence. Gardner's theory revolutionized our understanding of intelligence and learning. It highlights the importance of recognizing and nurturing the diverse talents and abilities of all learners. They are often energetic and expressive, with a natural love for movement and exploration. They may fidget or squirm during long lectures and prefer hands-on activities to traditional classroom instruction. These learners are often good at sports, dance, or other physical activities. They enjoy building things, kinesthetic learners with their hands, several common and engaging in role-playing that set them apart from other learning styles. They may also have excellent hand-eye coordination, balance, and spatial awareness. Understanding these characteristics is crucial for educators and parents to identify and support kinesthetic learners effectively. By creating learning environments that cater to their unique needs, we can unlock their full potential. Traditional classroom settings can be challenging for kinesthetic learners. Sitting still for long periods and absorbing information passively can be a recipe for boredom and disengagement. However, there are numerous strategies that educators and parents can implement to create a more kinesthetic-friendly learning environment. Incorporate movement into lessons. Instead of lecturing for an hour straight, break up the lesson with short movement breaks, hands-on activities, or group projects that require physical interaction. Use manipulatives. Provide students with objects they can touch and manipulate to help them understand abstract concepts. This could include blocks, puzzles, models, or real-world objects related to the lesson. Encourage role-playing and simulations. Allow students to act out historical events, scientific processes, or literary scenes to bring learning to life. By implementing these strategies, we can transform learning from a passive experience into an active and engaging adventure for kinesthetic learners. These individuals excelled in fields that required physical dexterity, coordination, and a deep understanding of how things work. History is replete with examples of successful individuals who exhibited strong kinesthetic of the physical world. Section 6. Embracing diversity, the importance of recognizing learning styles. Recognizing and supporting different learning styles is crucial for creating inclusive and effective learning environments. When we embrace the diversity of learning preferences, we empower all students to reach their full potential. Traditional education often favors students who excel in linguistic and logical mathematical intelligence. However, this narrow view of intelligence ignores the unique talents and abilities of students who learn best through other means, such as kinesthetic learners. By acknowledging the validity of different learning styles, we create a more equitable and engaging learning experience for all students. Section 7. A call to action. Fostering kinesthetic learning environments. Creating kinesthetic-friendly learning environments requires a collective effort from educators, parents, and policymakers. We must move away from the traditional one-size-fits-all approach to education and embrace a more personalized and learner-centered model. Educators can incorporate more movement, hands-on activities, and real-world applications into their lessons. Parents can encourage their children to engage in physical activities, explore their interests, and develop their kinesthetic skills. Policymakers can provide funding and support for programs that promote kinesthetic learning and provide professional development opportunities for educators. By working together, we can create learning environments where all students, regardless of their learning style, can thrive. Section 8. Join the conversation. Share your experiences. The journey of understanding and supporting kinesthetic learners is an ongoing one. We encourage you to share your own experiences, insights, and strategies for fostering kinesthetic learning. Have you encountered challenges as a kinesthetic learner? What strategies have helped you succeed? How can we create more inclusive and effective learning environments for all? By sharing our stories and working together, we can create a world where all learners are empowered to reach their full potential.